Renee's gonna be doing one side of my face, and Danny's gonna be applying makeup on the other as well. I didn't bring everything. I did my foundation, so I cheated a little bit. But I brought mascara. There's 2 different types of lipstick here. I don't know, fight over my lips. And then there's cheap ass liquid eyeliner and cheap ass eyeshadow. Just because I wasn't gonna, you know, sorry, but I was like, this is not worth my good eyeshadow and stuff. There's brushes in here. Or there's 2 now because I dropped 2. There's 3. So have fun. Whoever does like the best job, like.
If it doesn't come out great, it's because of what you bought. It's not our fault, okay?
Yeah, okay.
This is bottom of the line stuff.
No, if you know what you're doing, then it shouldn't be a problem.
Quality products.
Okay?
Wait,
let me tell you right now. Anybody out there who does beauty on a budget, they know, okay? If you
hold on one second, Bianca. Are these cruelty free? Because I'm not.
Yeah.
Okay, making sure.
This is torture right now, so I don't think so. But I brought makeup wipes just in case.
All right, let's get started.
Here.
It's a pen.
It was on the table.
Yeah, I thought we were using everything here. Okay.
Now you're limiting.
I'm just gonna dive right in.
You're limiting.
Here we go. Day to night. LA colors. Oh.
Make sure you narrate what you're doing. Like if you were something.
I am opening the box. I am dipping. I am dipping.
Like explain what you're doing, yeah? Why you're doing it.
God knows. Well, this blue looks very nice. I'm gonna get a little dab in right here in this brush right here, you know, and I'm just gonna do a little back and forth, back and forth, back and forth. All right. It looks ready. Okay.
I'm so sorry.
Here we go. All right. Okay. Where do we?
Wait, what's this for? Sorry.
This is liquid eyeliner.
I don't want to poke your eyes out, so you can do that.
I'm just gonna close my eyes.
That's perfect. What was it?
We're gonna have a fight scene later.
Oh God, no! I can't do this.
Not on my watch.
Yeah. Fight scene.
What is that?
I don't know.
Close your eyes.
I don't want to see on the air.
What the fuck are you doing? You better not do something fucking stupid, I swear to God.
Hey, what?
Well, sorry, language.
What's with the commentary? Chill. Okay.
Okay.
You signed the waiver. Okay.
You signed the waiver.
What kind of look are you going there for, Rene?
I'm expressing myself. Okay, relax.
What are you working on, Dad?
Yeah, just getting a real nice pop to the eye, you know, and just making it real stand out. I think it's blending in very well. I can't really see Renee's side, but oh yes, it goes very well together.
Right.
It's like we're almost sunk up.
Sunk.
Some would say.
What kind of place did she take this look to?
I mean, in the Fast Blue Monday, so there's that.
Any nice pawn shop, Dollar Tree, yeah.
Wait, I got makeup on my finger.
Really? You're worried about makeup on your fucking
Where's
finger?
that? Where's that palette?
Wait, hold on. Let me.
Oh, okay. I thought you were done. I'm sorry.
Aw. Oh god, I think I know what he's drawing. Oh Jesus.
It looks really good, actually. Like, we should do this again.
The Kraken.
We should do this again. Oh god.
A good contour line right here.
Let it be known right now that this was Bianca's idea, okay? This was Bianca's
You know what?
idea.
I'm a fucking trooper, right? I'm fucking down for my shit,
Did you say
alright?
trooper?
Trooper. Don't
Don't
be making fun of my
move! Stop
fucking
moving!
accent, boy.
Stop moving!
We're gonna be
Hey, don't make me fuck out, please. Come on, chill.
I'm available to fight after this. 10.
Stop. Your face is
We'll
like.
take care of it in the Shakey's parking lot.
Yeah, right. It really, it defines the cheek. Sushi? Or sushi? I didn't notice. Oh my god, what are you doing, sir? Okay, look at me. I don't even know what
This side.
A1.
After everything.
Oh shoot! I didn't even.
Yeah, I know. I didn't even see that.
Here,
So,
I'll
I know.
help everybody out a bit.
Yeah,
So
I
Drew,
didn't,
Oh,
who's the
you
winner
fucked it
of
up.
I didn't want to be responsible for
Damn.
any eye loss.
I'd say it's 50-50.
That's a cop out.
Oh, damn, alright.
Whoa!
Giving honest opinion, fuck
Who
you.
won?
Show both sides. You know, you're really channeling Heath Ledger.
Okay, Bianca, so take us out with your opinions on this makeup and how do you feel?
Well, this side, it looks like at first glance, I thought it was a fetus, but now when I get closer, I see it's one of Rene's signature squids that he does. You come to the shop, you'll see them kind of all over the place. So it's not a fetus, it's a squid.
I don't see a
On the
squid. I don't see
45.
a single squid anyway.
On the 45.
45s.
He draws
Okay.
them on the 40. God damn. That's why you weren't involved.
Oh,
And then this side, I'm not sure what's going on here.
oh, that's to define the
It's
cheek.
kind of like I got like if I was like my hair dye, I just went like this by accident. You know, but okay. I mean, I think I have a jawline already, but nice try.
Oh, it goes
And
on the jaw.
this, or it goes under the. Anyways,
Where would you take your new look, Bianca?
this side maybe to like some weird ass like music festival. This side to court.
Like the one in March?
I'd take this side to court.
Yeah.
Okay, so next we're gonna have Freedom Curse perform for y'all.